Understanding Going to Battle, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, going to battle. This expression is rich in meaning and usage, and it's important for English language learners to grasp its nuances. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this phrase. Going to battle literally refers to the act of engaging in a combat or war. Historically, this phrase was used in the context of soldiers preparing to fight in a physical battle. It conjures images of bravery, strategy, and the challenges of warfare. Understanding this literal meaning is crucial as it forms the foundation for its metaphorical uses. In everyday language, going to battle is often used metaphorically. It implies facing a challenge or a difficult situation with courage and determination. For example, someone might say, "I'm going to battle with my final exams," indicating their readiness to confront and overcome the challenge of exams. This metaphorical use is popular because it dramatizes everyday struggles, likening them to the heroism of fighting a battle. The phrase, going to battle, can vary slightly in meaning depending on the context. In a business setting, it might refer to negotiating a tough deal. In personal growth, it could mean overcoming personal barriers. Recognizing these contextual nuances is key to understanding and using the phrase accurately. Going to battle also appears in cultural and historical references. In literature, movies, and historical accounts, this phrase often symbolizes the struggle between good and evil or the journey of a hero. Knowing these references can enrich your understanding of English literature and media. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, going to battle, in all its facets. Whether it's used literally or metaphorically, this expression is a powerful part of the English language, embodying the spirit of resilience and courage. Keep practicing, and you'll be going to battle with English language learning in no time. See you in the next video.